there, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video, and in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Therabox subscription box. Now, Therabox is a wellness and self-care subscription box. Each month, this is delivered to you with full-size wellness and or self-care items and a happiness-boosting item inside. Therabox does cost $34.99 per month, plus a little shipping, and they guarantee that the retail value of each box is going to be at least $120 worth of retail value. Sometimes it is even over. So if this is your first Therabox unboxing and you'd like to check out more of these boxes, I will link all of my unboxing videos of this subscription box in the description box down below, as well as a link that you can find out more information about this box, as well as subscribe to it if you so choose. Let's dive right into this month's box. Treat yourself. All right, so this is what the box looks like whenever you open it. You have a booklet that comes each month. Each month does have a theme to it, and this month's theme is Sweet Dreams. Inside of each booklet, you do have a little information about the actual month's theme and information about all of the things within this box. So I will be putting this off to the side, but I am going to be reading about the items within the box. Oh, this is such beautiful packaging. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Vitamasks, and it is an evening goggle eye mask. So this is to repair and relax. This is what it looks like here. Looks like a cute little superhero mask. So this says that it is made with copper, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and centella. So this looks like it's going to be beautiful. This is a one-time use mask, and it says that it is self-sticking. So that should be fun. It also says that it is worthy of an Instagram selfie, which I will definitely be doing. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram so you can check out that selfie. So the next item I'm pulling out is what is making this box smell so fantastic. It is a fizzy disc for the bath, or a bath bomb. It is a CBD fizzy disc from Clearly Balanced Days. This smells fantastic. It smells, I can see why it smells so fantastic. This has patchouli in it, and it smells quite patchouli-esque. So in addition to the patchouli and the CBD, this contains other essential oil blends that helps to balance your mind and to relieve the stress and the tension from the day. I'm not exactly sure if I'll get any use out of this. I don't take bath. I mean, I shower daily, but I don't take like sit down, soaking, relaxing bath. Usually bath salts, I just put in like a foot soaker and use them that way when I receive them in subscription boxes. But with a bath bomb like this, it's sort of to me like a one-use thing. I may put this in a giveaway, or I might pass this along to a friend, but it smells fantastic. So the next item is from a brand that I have actually received multiple times in subscription boxes. Dr. Botanicals. So this is from the Dr. Botanicals family. It is organic and botanic. It is the Madagascan Coconut Rejuvenating Night Moisture. So let's open this box up. And if I remember correctly, yes, so all of the packaging, both outer and the actual product packaging, is 100% recyclable, which I do think is pretty cool, and it is also vegan friendly. So this night moisturizer is infused with a unique blend of botanical extract and hydrating actives to help boost and seal in the moisture of the skin. In the booklet, it says that members could have received one of three. You could have received an Amazonian berry reviving night moisturizer, which I have received in the past, have enjoyed it. This one, the Madagascan Coconut Rejuvenating Night Moisturizer, which is supposed to counteract daily stresses and rejuvenate the skin throughout the night, whenever, of course, the nighttime is when your body is most receptive to healing treatments. Definitely need that then if it's counteracting daily stress, because I am swimming in it. Or you could have received the Mandarin Orange Enhancing Night Moisturizer, which brightens the skin. Oh, I am excited for this one. If this does counteract daily stress, I might just slather it all over my body and not just my face. Product from Grace and Stella. I am just finishing up their Rosé All Day, or Spray All Day, their rose water spray, and absolutely love it. So I'm excited to try another Grace and Stella skincare product. So this is their foaming face wash. There's a foam party on my face and you're invited. So this product also features rose water that helps to balance pH, tone, prime, moisturize, hydrate, and freshen up your skin. It also has aloe vera extract, which I am a big fan in as far as in my skincare products. Oh yes, thank you. I was running low. So the next thing I'm pulling out is a purifying hand spray with 70% alcohol in it. Thank you. Thank you, Therabox, for sending this over. This is from Essence One, and it is Morning Calm. Let's see. Ooh, that is a calming scent. This as well smells like patchouli. I'm not exactly sure if that is in it because it just says pure essential oils, but I cannot tell you how glad I am to have received this in this box. The next item I'm pulling out is an eye pillow. Oh, how adorable is that? I love kitty cats. Oh my gosh, it's on the actual pillow. That's wonderful. I love cats. This is organic lavender and mugwort herbal eye pillow. And this is from the Happy Shop, which is Therabox's online retail store. Oh, how cute. I'm busy, right meow. Oh, that is adorable. And I do appreciate some eye pillows. Some eye pillows you cannot do this, but I do appreciate the fact, especially nowadays, that it seems that you can take this off. It seems you can take the outer covering off at least and throw it in the wash if you need to. But that is the cutest thing. So this is from Way of Will. Way of Will just popped up one day in my email account advertising their products, and I didn't know where they came from, but they're in this box. So this is a Canadian product, Way of Will Sleep Tight Pure Essential Oil Remedy. So it is a roller ball and it smells earthy. It is an extremely strong scent, but I don't mind that. So you can apply this to your temples, wrist, and behind your ears before bed, or rub into your palms and inhale. In this natural blend, you have sandalwood, sweet marjoram, I'm probably mispronouncing that, to try to help combat insomnia, geranium and rose absolute to help combat anxiety, and bergamot and neroli to help combat depression. Those are some wonderful scents. This truly does smell good. I'm going to have an extremely restful sleep tonight because I plan to use all of these products. And I always like to unbox the happiness boosting item last. And this month, of course, because it is a Sweet Dreams centered box, it is a Sweet Dreams journal. So I actually love it when we get journals as our happiness boosting activity because I am an avid journaler. Oh, beautiful galaxy picture. I love this quote. Let her sleep, for when she wakes, she will move mountains. So we have our introduction. Oh, cool. It goes in, it's like a little book too. Very, very cool. Okay, so it's not only a journal towards the back, it's a bit of a book in the front. So we have our stages of sleep, sleep positions, a little insomnia assessment. Oh, they have different tea recipes. I love drinking some golden milk or turmeric milk before bed. Sleep-friendly plants, sleep bites. Oh, tips and tricks to get you sound asleep. Yoga, aromatherapy. This is really cool. Oh, and a lavender mist. Eye pillows, and then you can track your sleep log. So it's not necessarily a dream journal, as the name Sweet Dreams Journal suggested, at least to me, but it's a let's get you to sleep sort of journal. Very cool. I love this month's happiness boosting activity and I can't wait to pour myself into this. So let's take a little retail price journey together. It says here that this month's box has a retail value of at least $145. So let's go down the list. I'll let you know exactly how much each of these items cost and then I'll do the math for you, or rather my phone will do the math for you and I will add it up at the very end. So we are going to start with our Sweet Dreams Journal. The Sweet Dreams Journal has a retail value of $18.99. The Way of Will Sleep Tight Pure Essential Oil Remedy has a retail value of $29. The Happy Shop's Lavender and Mugwort Herbal Eye Pillow has a retail value of $25. Oh, and by the way, this is kitty cat approved. My Frank has already laid down on it. Grace and Stella's Foaming Face Wash has a retail value of $19. The Organic and Botanic from Dr. Botanicals Night Moisturizer has a retail value of $19.99. Clearly Balanced Days Broad Spectrum Fizzy Disc Bath Balm Relax and Unwind, that is a very long name, has a retail value of $13.99. The Essence One Purifying Hand Spray in the scent of Morning Calm has a retail value of $12. And last but certainly not least, we have our Vitamasks Evening Goggle Eye Mask, which has a retail value of approximately $7.50. It is worth £5.99. So, you know, depending on how much the dollar and the pound are worth. All right, so adding that all up, that is a retail value of $145.47. So I do have to say that this box was right up my alley and definitely something that I needed. I am a middle school teacher and we are about to start school in person with the kids. It is really stressing me out. So to come home, find this on my doorstep and just just inhale. I wish that you could smell all of this through the YouTubes, because just to inhale this and just smell it, it has definitely calmed me down. Good job creating a really relaxing, dreamy box. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Make sure you click that subscribe button on the way out, ring that bell, that way you will not miss another upload. Every Monday and Friday, we unbox subscription boxes and talk everything lifestyle, and every Wednesday, we talk everything Disney, and I would love to have you along for those little daily journeys with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!